Hidden beneath the quiet surface of Louisville, Colorado, a fire had been burning for decades. Long after the last miner left, heat and smoke continued rising from the depths of the Lewis mine, operated from 1914 to 1946. For over 50 years, the underground coal fire smoldered just south of the Davidson Ditch, a vital water delivery system constructed in the late 1800s to supply nearby communities. In 1987, a 600-foot section of the ditch was lined with concrete to prevent mine-related ground subsidence, but the fire below didn't stop. Subsidence continued, threatening the integrity of the ditch and the safety of the area. When the Colorado Division of Reclamation, Mining and Safety, or DRMS, investigated, they used drone thermal imagery and ground-based observation to locate the underground fire. The data pointed to heat 10 to 20 feet below the surface, covering an area of about 2,500 square feet. Temperatures peaked at 145 degrees underground, releasing gases typically associated with coal oxidation, an invisible danger hiding in plain sight. Between January and March 2024, DRMS acted, backed by approximately $574,000 in funding and a committed network of stakeholders, including landowners, Boulder County officials, and the Davidson Ditch Company. The team extinguished the underground coal fire and stabilized the site. What few realized was just how close their water supply came to being threatened. The Davidson Ditch serves 21,000 residents, and thanks to this project, it remains protected and intact. In a heartwarming moment, during the project, the landowner's child prepared and handed out goodie bags to the crew on Valentine's Day, an unexpected gesture of gratitude that meant the world to the team on the ground. It was a small act that spoke volumes. The outcome? The persistent sulfur odor is gone, a dangerous fire has been eliminated, and a safer, more livable environment has returned. For extinguishing a decades-old mine fire, restoring abandoned mine land, and safeguarding public infrastructure, the Lewis Mine Fire Project is the proud recipient of the 2025 Western States Abandoned Mine Land Reclamation Award.